Good evening. Today, 30 June 2020, me Alagos, news anchor from Laofara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. 3 terrorists killed in Anantnag encounter. Srinagar, 3 undefined terrorists were killed in an encounter with security forces in Jammu and Kashmir, Anantnag district on Monday, police said. The security forces launched a cordon and search operation at Khul Chahor in the South Kashmir district following information about the presence of terrorists in the area, a police official said. The operation turned into an encounter after the terrorists on a search party of the forces who retaliated, the official said. These terrorists have been killed in the encounter so far, he said, adding the identity and group affiliation were being uncertain. Congress didn't criticize China while questioned Modi's Ladakh standoff. Union Minister Chandigarh Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad on Sunday lashed out to Congress, accusing of not criticizing China while posing questions to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi led union government over the Ladakh standoff between both countries. Addressing a viral rally organized by the Chandigarh unit of the BJP, Minister was also accused Congress President Sonia Gandhi and former party Chief Rahul Gandhi of asking questions allegedly designed to lower the morale of the armed forces. What was happened to the Congress? They ask questions every day, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia ji. No other party is raising any questions, said Prasad, referring to the Galwan Valley clash between soldiers of China and India recently. They never criticized China openly and are asking questions from the government. They are asking questions on soldiers. He else adding that Rahul Gandhi had sought a proof of the Balakot airstrike too. The public had thrashed him in the elections, but they failed to learn from this, the union minister said in an apparent reference to the BJP's victory in 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Responding to Rahul Gandhi's question why soldiers were sent unarmed in Ladakh, Prasad said it was a Congress-led government in 1993 which signed a pact with China using firearms on the line of actual control (LAC). Referring to the clash in which 20 Indian soldiers were killed, Prasad said over 40 Chinese troops were killed, which the Chinese authorities are hiding. Prasad also asked Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh to respond to questions by the Congress leader. I want to ask a question from Captain Sahib. You have been an army captain and you're a patriot. After a time when there is a tension between India and China, Rahul and Sonia ji are trying to raise question, he said. Let Captain Amarinder Singh respond as to what's own reaction on the way Rahul Gandhi and Sonia ji are daily raising questions designed to lower the morale of the forces and the other country, said Prasad. Prasad also alleged that the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation received donations from the Chinese embassy in 2005 and 2006. Was the need for taking money from China? Why did you take money? There's no answer till now, he said. When they Congress take money from China, then they would have openly criticized it, he alleged. Further slamming Rahul Gandhi for questioning the lockdown imposed for containing the coronavirus spread, Prasad said if he had a problem with this lockdown, why he could not convince his own chief minister where the Congress is in power. Chief Minister Amarinder Singh imposed a curfew, not lockdown. Similarly, Rajasthan and Maharashtra imposes lockdown, he said.